my room. And right now, I'm going to do my devotion. Pero guys, sinabi ko sa inyo kanina na yung sinabi ko na gumawa na, tapos na yung exam namin. So, it's January 22 right now, 23 right now, and kahapon is 5 lang yung subject namin. Yung exam namin kahapon is contemporary and interip. Kasi tibang student ako, and katatapos lang namin ng JDVP, which is Joint Delivery Voucher Program. And nakapasa ako at meron akong NC2 na. So, I'm gonna start my devotion and see you after I'm done. Full of highlighters. Hi, good morning. Hindi ako magawa ng pagising pala. So, first time ko to guys. Kasi last week is wala talaga akong tulog. Ngayon, Saturday, late ako nagising. Mga 7:42 ako nagising. Kasi kagabi, natulog ako kagabi, 12. Ngayon, papunta ako sa labas. Kasi mag-general cleaning kami. Guys, let's go. At mapapamusic rin ako doon sa labas. Para naman hindi bored. Kalat pa rin yung kwarto ko guys. Kasi hindi ako nakapag-linis kagabi. Kasi sabi ko naman, I'm so busy. Kasi ako kagabi. So guys, yung pinamusic ko is One Way. So maganda talaga yung weather ngayon, especially if sabila natin ito kay Jesus. One way, Jesus. So susimulan ko yung pag-release.
To follow Jesus, I have decided to follow Jesus. Behind me, the cross before me. Behind me, the cross before me.
Pinupunit ko yung mga basura. So, yes, guys. Tignan ko muna tong video at see you. Hello, guys! It's 8:47 p.m. right now. And kapabalik lang namin kasi umalis na ng bahay. Kanina, pumunta rin ako ng simbahan at nauwi ako mga 4 or 5. And, guys, ito yung naabutan ko. Madumi pa rin yung room ko. Hindi ko pa siya nalilinis. But now, I'm planning to clean all of this stuff. The devotional session. So guys, if you see, I just changed my outfit into this pink pajama. So it's raining outside and it's a little bit cold. Red. Hey guys, it's 11:20 and I'm done doing my praise and worship practice para bukas sa simbahan namin. And pagkatapos nyo, maaga yung simba namin bukas, as always. And then, yun kong gumising ng maaga. And yung sleep ko lang is 1 to 12, 1, 2, 3, 4 na oras. Tapos malilip. But it's fine guys. At saka, pagkatapos ng simbahan bukas, is alis kami. And kasama yung mga ka-church members namin. Pero hindi pa ako nakakapili ng susuotin ko bukas. But it's fine. It doesn't matter anyway. At least, I'm truly worship God. And I'm truly a servant of God. So, good night guys. And see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I just came back from home, me and my brother, because pumunta kami ng simbahan, tsaka pumunta rin kami sa church anniversary ng isa pang simbahan. Yung sinabi ko sa inyo kagabi.
Push the coverage. Walang love life! Mga walang jowa! Mga single kayo!
Malungkot ako. Ito kaya alabas sa mga loob ko.
More sweet moments kasama si special someone.
Salamat sa pagkaon sa gabi una namin. Cover the entire rice into a vegetable. It's broccoli or cabbage, that chai. Ito, gabada ka. Ay, wala ako. We're eating this slato. It's fine.
Johan! Ikam kaon!